Sir, please excuse me. I just received my salary for a month, and I noticed it was not up to the amount of money I was supposed to get.
Young man, are you okay? You've missed jobs several times and you expect us to pay you complete salary. We don't do that over here.
Oh, I understand. But thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
That's it.
No, but now you say about even fine safe. Our exam they start next week and there's more go buy textbooks. So anybody will get the textbook, no go feel write the exam. So now I come here me buy the textbook. Textbook now 30k.
Oh, 30k. Okay, you know what? I'm going to give you 20k. Just look for how to complete the remaining 10,000 naira.
No, brother, no. Where do you want me to get 10,000 from now?
Oh, no problem now. I'll look for you. I will send you the money.
I don't know if you train me for school. Waiting when I take my enter school. I beg.
I'll send you the money. Sim.
Okoro.
You come?
How far now? I don't wait for you now. Me send the money where you borrow, carry go treat your papa for hospital. I don't wait. I never say anything.
Oh, child, no best for me. I totally forget.
Why you no go forget? You don't collect money, no forget. You reach to pay no problem.
No worry, just calm down. Make I just relax this evening. I'll send the money for you. I beg, yeah.
No problem.
How family now?
Thank God, my brother.
Right.
Oh yeah now.
All right. Babe, I've been trying to reach you for a while, but you've not been taking my calls. What's the problem?
Okoro, just listen to yourself now. Why will I pick your call? I told you I want to get a wig of 150,000 naira. You said you'll be giving me 30,000 naira every month till the money completes. Who does that, Okoro? I can't.
Babe, I told you that every month I'll be giving you 30,000 naira till the money complete 150, because right now I don't have the 150,000 naira to give to you.
Okoro, please. I'm done. I'm not doing it again.